Hi everyone and welcome. This is a crash course on Adobe Premiere to get you started quickly. Now the interface might look a little intimidating, but once you break the windows down, it's very easy and intuitive. So let's jump in. First, take note of the menu bar. Mostly, we'll be using this to import video, create new sequences and titles, and save our projects. On the upper left of the screen is the project window. When you import a video or audio file, it will be loaded into the project window. You can find all your sequences here as well. When you double click on a file, you'll be able to view it in the source window. The source window allows you to preview the raw files that you have imported into Premiere. You can use the cursor to skim through the clip. This is the window where we will pick out the part of our clips that we would like to use in our edit. The program window allows us to view everything that is on the timeline. Basically, what you see here is how your final edited project will look. If we take a clip from the source window and drop it into the timeline, we can view it on the project window. If you have a clip in your timeline, you will see two boxes around your video. The outside box is called the action safe area, and the inside box is called the title safe area. This is important if your viewer will be watching the DVD on a television set. In simple terms, the TV will cut off everything that is outside the action safe area. So make sure the main focal point of your image remains inside the action safe area. As its name implies, the title safe area should contain all of your titles and text, so that it is not cut off by television sets. The effects window is where transitions, like cross dissolves and fades, are located. Also, we will be able to find color correction in the effects window. All of this will be used to enhance our video edits and turn our finished product into something professional and polished. The timeline is where we will assemble our clips into a final video. You can have multiple timelines for different edits. Individual timelines are called sequences. You can have multiple sequences at the top of the timeline so you're able to switch between them quickly. On the bottom right is the audio master meter window and the tools window. When you play your edit on the timeline, the audio levels will display in the audio master meter window. This is helpful to make sure that your audio level is not peaking, so it won't distort. The tools window is where you can use different editing functions to trim, cut, and adjust the clips in the timeline. Mainly, we will be using the mouse cursor symbol to move clips, and the razor symbol to cut clips. All of these individual tools also have keyboard shortcuts, and as you become a more experienced editor, you'll start to use the keyboard shortcuts more in order to edit faster. It should be noted that this is the default layout for Adobe Premiere, and that you can resize and reposition windows to your liking. If you have another monitor, you can also spread your layout across two screens. You should do what works for you. If you lose or accidentally close a window, you can easily reopen it by going to Window on the menu bar. You can see that under the Window menu, the windows that are currently displayed have a check mark next to them. If you need a fresh start with your layout, or you would like to explore the different default layouts, you can set your workspace in the top right. You can also save a custom layout, so you can automatically set projects to a layout you like. Premiere will save your current layout when you save the project. Next, we're going to start editing.